There are different types of slime for different purposes. Over here on the far left, this is slime that you can have in your car tire for a long time, and it helps prevent getting a flat tire. You can put this in your tire anytime to prevent getting a leak. These other three products are emergency repair products. So that, let's say you're driving and you need to go to the store and buy something to fix your tire really quick. They last about 3 days or about 100 miles. So this is a pressurized can of slime, and you unscrew this and put it on your car tire, and it's pressurized and will push the sealant into the tire. This has a separate canister that contains this, and it has a separate pump that you can keep afterwards that I find is very handy, because once you use this canister you need to throw it away. I tried to reuse it and it just gets all clogged up, but you can keep the pump, and the pump is very helpful when you see that you're low, and instead of trying to find a gas station that charges $2 or so just for a little bit of air, you've got this in your trunk. In this kit contains these two units in one unit. So if you just want to fix a flat tire, it's about $10 more to get this kit. And all you do is hook it up to the valve stem and plug it in, and it does the same thing as this kit, except on this kit you have to manually connect this tank reservoir to the pump. So for $10 extra, you can have one step, or save yourself $10 and you can have 2 steps. Or you can go with this, which is even cheaper, but it doesn't have a pump that you can keep.